Here we got the Gerber Flatiron with the Micarta handle and D2 steel. Ooh, Micarta. Frame lock, metal on the back, Micarta on the front. Polished blade. And here it is. Not quite centered. Tip up carry. Look at this blade. Polished. This is like, it looks like when you get those plastic toy knives. It looks like that, but it's metal, of course. So, D2. Model number. Finger choil. This just feels good in hand. No jimping, no lanyard hole. Nice big cleaver style. I like that it has that point like that. So, okay, so there you go. The Gerber Flatiron in Micarta and D2. Good lock up there. Good, is that D10? Is that what they call that? So I like this.